Welcome to the OpenText video series. In this video, we will be presenting the steps required to set up viewing of the merged spool archive in ESCWA. This video will present the merged spool archive feature in Enterprise Server Common Web Administration Interface, or commonly referred to as ESCWA. We will cover the steps required to enable viewing of the merged spool archive in ESCWA. Note that only the output folder of the Spool housekeeping job will be referenced here. What is the merged spool archive? First, let us briefly describe the spool housekeeping process, particularly the generated output folder. When the spool housekeeping job is executed, it will create a unique folder to store the spool files that were archived for that run. The folder is usually named in a date and time format representing its execution. To view the archived spool files, the usual practice is to set up a separate enterprise server region. The ES region for viewing archived spool files will have to be reconfigured in order to view another set of archived spool files. A feature is now available in ESCWA that will allow viewing of the archived spool files from the different output or run of the housekeeping job. The process will combine the spool archive files with the ones in the merged spool archive folder. The merged spool archive files can then be viewed in ESCWA. The recommended approach is to run the merge process after the spool housekeeping job. However, it can also merge multiple archives folders during the process. The first step in merging spool archive files is to create the target folder. In this example, the target folder is named Spool Merge. The complete file path is shown here and must be set in the Merge Spool file path settings in ESCWA. This setting will be shown later on in this video. The next step is to identify the top-level folder that will be used by the merged SPL job to scan outputs of the spool housekeeping job. The folder set in the MF spool archive block variable will be set for this purpose. As seen in this example, the spool arch folder contains two subfolders. These were the previous output of the spool housekeeping job on different execution time. The next step is to enter the spool merge folder in the merge spool file path in ESCWA. The merge spool file path can be accessed from the General tab of the ES region. Then click Advanced. From the Advanced Settings page, scroll down to the JES Behavior section and enter the full location of the spool merge folder. The next step is to modify Merge SPL job. The original Merge SPL job is available on the Demo ESJCL folder from the Enterprise Developer installation. In this example of the Merge SPL job, the scanlock parameter is set to the folder configured in the MF spool archive lock of the ES region. The folder set on this variable is spool arch. Merge lock parameter is set to the complete file path of the spool merge folder. The sample run of the merge SPL job is shown here. Next, the spool record of the job is shown as well. To view the merge spool archive, go to the JES Output Queue page, click on the Filter button, enable the Merge Spool checkbox, then scroll down on the filter screen and press Apply. The merged spool archive records will then be displayed on the page. It is recommended that the spool archive folder referenced on the variable MF spool archive lock must be cleared regularly. The merge SPL job will not process duplicate archive spool files, but will add more processing time to the job. Thank you very much for watching.